Question number 6. The length of the entire medicine capsule is equal to 14 mm. The medicine capsule is made of two parts, cylindrical part with hemispherical ends. Now find the total surface area of the medicine capsule. Now each hemispherical part we have radius is 5/2 mm, and in cylindrical part radius is also 5/2 mm, and h is equal to 14 minus total length is 14, 5/2 and it means 2.5 total 5 लेस कर देंगे हम -5 which is equal to 9 mm. Now the surface area of the capsule. Surface area of capsule is equal to curved surface area of cylindrical part plus curved surface area of two hemispherical parts. Two hemispherical parts. Now the curved surface area of cylindrical part is 2 pi RH plus curved surface area of one hemispherical part 2 pi r square. Two hemispherical parts, therefore 4 pi r square. Now take common 2 pi r h plus 2 r. 2 pi means 22/7 and r 5/2. टोटल डायमीटर इसका 5 mm था, तो 5/2 h 9 plus 2 into 5/2. 2 से 2 कैंसिल, 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, which is equal to, now the surface area of the capsule is equal to 110 divided by 7 into 9 plus 5, which is equal to 110 upon 7 into 40, 220 mm square. Next question, question number 7. Question number 7 में cylindrical part is surmounted by a conical part. A tent is in the shape of cylindrical part surmounted by a conical part, and the height of the cylindrical part is 2.1 meter and diameter is 4 meter, that is radius 2 meter, and slant height of the conical part is 2.8 meter. Then find the canvas required for making the tent. In this tent we have also two parts. First part is cylindrical part, the second part is conical part. So in cylindrical part we have r is equal to 4/2 2 meter and h is equal to 2.1 meter, and in conical part the radius is same, which is equal to 2 meter, and L slant height is 2.8 meter. To find the canvas required, area of the canvas used for making the tent is equal to curved surface area of cylindrical part plus curved surface area of conical part. दोनों के कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऐड कर देंगे. We know that the curved surface area of the cylindrical part is 2 pi r h plus pi r l. कंबाइंड फिगर है, इट मीन दोनों का रेडियस सेम है. टेक कॉमन पाई आर 2h प्लस l which is equal to pi means 22/7 r 2 into h 2.1 plus l 2.8 which is equal to 22/7 into 2 4.2 plus 2.8 22/7 into 2 into 7, it means 44 meter square is the area of the canvas. Now the second part of this question is find the cost of making the tent at the rate of ₹500 per meter square के रेट से टोटल कॉस्ट कितनी पाएगी. कॉस्ट ऑफ कैनवस is equal to 44 into 500 rupees 22,000 total cost. Question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter. Solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter. And diameter is 1.4 centimeter. A conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hauled out. Conical cavity of the same radius and same height. The radius is 0.7 centimeter. Now in cylindrical part में radius is 1.4 divided by 2, that is 0.7 centimeter, and height of the cylindrical part is 2.4 centimeter. In conical part में radius is also 0.7 centimeter, height is also 2.4 centimeter. Then find out the value of L is equal to r square plus h square square the root. Slant height r 0.7 whole square plus h 2.4 whole square. We get 0.49 plus 5.76 6.25. Therefore L is 2.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. Total surface area, total surface area of remaining solid is equal to, अब इसका सिलेंडर का कर्व सरफेस एरिया 2 पाई आर एच प्लस में एरिया ऑफ द बेस पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस अंदर का एरिया इंक्रीज हो जाएगा प्लस पाई आर एल. नाउ टेक कॉमन पाई आर कॉमन which is equal to 2h plus r plus l. Pi 22/7, r 7/10, 0.7, 7/10, 2 into h, h means 2.4 plus r 0.7 plus 2.5, 7 से 7 कैंसिल, which is equal to 22/10 into 4.8 plus 0.7 plus 2.5, which is equal to 3.2 plus 4.8, 22/10 multiplied by 8, 176/10 centimeter square, which is equal to 17.6 centimeter square. Then approximate value is 18 centimeter square. 18 centimeter square is the surface area of the remaining solid. The next question is a wooden, question number 9, a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of the solid cylinder, and if the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and the radius of the base is 3.5 centimeter, then find the total surface area of the wooden article. In each hemispherical part, we have radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter, and in cylindrical part r is equal to 3.5 centimeter, h is 10 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the article. Total surface area. तो इसका कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट प्लस एरिया इंक्रीज हो जाएगा प्लस कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ 2 हेमिस्फेरिकल पार्ट्स, which is equal to, the curved surface area of cylindrical part is 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH plus 4 pi R square. It is total surface area of the wooden article. K common 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH plus 4 pi R square, 2 pi R common, H plus 2 R, 2 22/7, R 3.5, that is 7 by 2, H 10, 2 into 7 by 2, 2 से 2 कैंसिल, 7 से 7, तो 22 which is equal to 22 multiply by 10 plus 7, 22 into 17, 374 centimeter square is the total surface area of the article.